That's a lot. It's even in his hair. Like it's all over his back. Damn, that's a lot of shit. Oh my god. YouTube, this is the best prank ever. He woke up and said you went forwards instead of backwards. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what you did. You went forward instead of backwards. What the fuck does that mean? It's eating popcorn like a movie. See, that's a lot of cum. I'm just joking. This is a prank video. Because he's sleeping and he was told not to go to sleep. And it's all over his back. Like, that's a lot of fucking shaving cream on it. That's just gonna stain too. Put more in the sack. Oh my god. Put some more in his shirt. Oh my lord. That's guys, this is a wonderful weird hand. Look at his butt. It's like all over his. Look at it. You can sit down on the concrete and make butt prints. It's all over his shirt on her hand. Can't hurry put it on his shirt before he wakes up. Oh, okay, go wash your hand. Hurry, go wash your hand. Best prank video ever. Like, shaving cream. I'm sitting here eating popcorn. This is like front row seats, guys. Prank video number 4. Friday night. Hilarious. And this should be a good night. Because look, it's all over his bum, all over his backpack, all over his legs and feet. Oh my lord. But this is my prank video with me and my niece. And we did it. He's like, okay. Like, we're gonna like wake him up to see what else he says. It'll be hilarious. He is not recording. Josh! Josh, I'll touch you again. What, are you sleeping? Huh? Josh. 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 Almost 3 minutes long. What are you have to keep washing your hands. She's gonna do most of it in his hair this time. Nobody's got it. What? Don't worry, nobody's driving today. Yeah, no one's driving. So push it away. Push it away, hurry. That's so funny.